am in 7th grade. Today, I want to show you guys English activities in Al-Fatih Islamic Boarding School. Let's come with me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz. I am in the 8th grade and I am 13 years old. I have different hobbies. Sometimes I reading a book, or sometimes I like to draw some stuff, like drawing a building or people.
Hi Karadit, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm very well too, thanks. What are you doing?
I'm practicing my English because there will be an examination on Friday.
It's Monday. Why do you need to practice from now?
We have to practice early because practice makes perfect.
Okay then, I will learn English as well. See you later.
Later too, Faha.
Hi Jarvis, what are you doing now?
Hi Yasin, I am reading a novel right now.
Wow, interesting.
Yes, it is Harry Potter novel.
How much is this?
I borrow in school library.
Okay Jarvis, I will borrow it as well. See you later Jarvis.
Later Yasin.
Excuse me.
Yes, come in. Hi, have a seat, please.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, Dimas, how's life going?
I'm very well, thanks.
So,
What's it?
I'm good, great, thank you. So, what are you doing here?
I'm asking for your permission that tomorrow I cannot join class because I have to attending since my sister graduated.
Alright, so how many members of your family?
They are 5 members in my family.
Who are they?
They are father, mother, elder sister, younger sister, and me.
Alright, so you have 2 siblings, right?
Yes,
Alright, what do your sister do?
she has graduated from Bandung Institute of Technology.
Alright then. So tomorrow you may not join my class, but please be mind that you have to always practice English every day. Okay?
Okay.
Alright then. So you may leave the room.
Okay, Mr. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.